Hello all, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I am Lish the Baker, and on today's episode we are making carrot cake cupcakes. There's something about Easter that always makes me think about carrot cake, probably the Easter bunny plus carrots. But honestly, these spiced cupcakes are perfect for any time of year. In this video, I'm also going to show you how to make a delectable cream cheese frosting that go perfectly with the flavor of these cupcakes. Without further ado, let's get into the baking. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Leave me a comment down below if you decide to make these spiced carrot cake cupcakes, and let me know, do you think they're cupcakes, or can we call them muffins and have them for breakfast? Until next time, keep it delicious.